The turquoise waters lap gently at the shore, a symphony of serenity played against a backdrop of golden sand. Palm trees sway lazily in the warm breeze, their fronds whispering secrets to the clouds. This is where we dream of being, a place far removed from the everyday, a sanctuary of sun, sea, and tranquility. Are you ready to discover the best summer destinations to unwind and enjoy? Join us as we explore the top places to cool off this season. From idyllic islands to bustling cities, we'll journey across continents to uncover hidden gems and iconic landmarks, each offering unique experiences to rejuvenate your mind, body, and soul. Pack your bags, slather on the sunscreen, and prepare for an adventure of a lifetime as we unveil the most captivating summer getaways. Imagine waking up in a luxurious overwater villa, sunlight streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, revealing a panorama of the Indian Ocean so vibrant, it seems almost unreal. This is the Maldives, a nation of atolls, scattered like precious jewels across the azure canvas of the sea. Beneath the surface, a kaleidoscope of life unfolds. Coral reefs teem with an array of marine creatures, from graceful manta rays gliding through the water to schools of brightly colored fish darting amongst the coral. Snorkel or dive in this underwater paradise, encountering creatures of all shapes and sizes, each more mesmerizing than the last. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, the sky erupts in a symphony of colors. Hues of orange, pink, and purple dance across the heavens, painting a masterpiece that reflects on the tranquil waters. A breathtaking spectacle that will stay with you long after you've left this magical place. But the Maldives is more than just a pretty picture. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to find peace in the rhythm of the waves, and to discover the simple luxury of just being. The island of Maui, a jewel in the Hawaiian archipelago, beckons with its dramatic beauty and adventurous spirit. Here, lush rainforests cling to volcanic slopes, cascading waterfalls plunge into emerald pools, and the legendary road to Hana winds its way along the coast, revealing breathtaking vistas at every turn. Feel the spirit of aloha as you drive this iconic route, stopping to admire cascading waterfalls, hike through bamboo forests, and take a dip in hidden swimming holes. The air is thick with the scent of plumeria and the sound of exotic birdsong, a sensory feast that captures the essence of this tropical paradise. No trip to Maui is complete without experiencing the magic of a luau. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow on the Pacific Ocean, gather around a crackling fire and immerse yourself in Hawaiian culture. Enjoy traditional food, music, and dance, sharing stories and laughter under the starry sky. Whether you seek adventure on land or relaxation on the beach, Maui offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural immersion, leaving you with memories that will last a lifetime. Perched atop volcanic cliffs, overlooking the azure waters of the Aegean Sea, lies Santorini, a Greek island that embodies the very essence of romance and beauty. Whitewashed houses adorned with vibrant bougainvillea cling to the caldera edge, creating an iconic vista that has captivated travelers for centuries. Wander through the narrow cobbled streets of Oia, a village that seems to tumble down the hillside towards the sea. Explore quaint shops, art galleries, and charming cafes, each offering a glimpse into the island's unique charm. As the sun begins its descent, find a spot overlooking the caldera and prepare to witness a spectacle that will take your breath away. The Santorini sunset is legendary, a symphony of colors that paints the sky in hues of gold, crimson, and violet. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the whitewashed buildings, the sky erupts in a final burst of glory, reflecting off the tranquil waters of the Aegean, a moment of pure magic that will stay etched in your memory forever. Beyond its picture-perfect scenery, Santorini offers a taste of authentic Greek culture. Indulge in delicious local cuisine, sip on refreshing ouzo, and lose yourself in the warmth and hospitality of the locals. Bali, the island of gods, is a sensory feast, a tapestry woven from lush rice paddies, ancient temples, vibrant coral reefs, and the warm smiles of its people. Here, spirituality permeates everyday life, and the air is thick with the scent of incense and the sound of gamelan music. Find your inner peace at Uluwatu Temple, perched dramatically on a clifftop overlooking the crashing waves of the Indian Ocean. Witness the Kekak dance at sunset, a mesmerizing performance that tells the story of Ramayana, accompanied by the rhythmic chanting of a chorus of men. Venture inland to Ubud, the cultural heart of Bali, where you can immerse yourself in the island's artistic heritage. Visit traditional workshops, browse galleries showcasing local artists, and perhaps even try your hand at a batik painting class. From the spiritual serenity of ancient temples to the adrenaline rush of surfing world-class waves, Bali offers a journey for the soul as much as for the senses. Imagine a coastline so dramatic, so breathtakingly beautiful, that it seems ripped from the pages of a fairy tale. This is the Amalfi Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that stretches along Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, a mesmerizing tapestry of pastel-colored villages clinging precariously to cliffs that plunge into the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Rent a Vespa and wind your way along the Amalfi Drive, one of the world's most scenic coastal roads. The air is filled with the scent of lemons and the sound of waves crashing against the rocks below, as you soak in the unparalleled beauty of this Italian gem. Explore the charming villages that dot the coastline, each with its own unique character and charm. Discover Positano, with its cascade of colorful houses tumbling down to the sea. Ravello, perched high above the coast, offering breathtaking views. And Amalfi, the region's namesake, a bustling town steeped in history and culture. Indulge in the simple pleasures of La Dolce Vita. Savor delicious Italian cuisine, sip on local wines, and soak up the sun on the beach. The Amalfi Coast is a feast for the senses, a place to relax, unwind, and embrace the Italian art of living. Cairns, a vibrant city nestled along Australia's northeastern coast, is a gateway to a world of natural wonders. Here, the ancient Daintree rainforest, a living museum of biodiversity, meets the vibrant coral gardens of the Great Barrier Reef, creating a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Embark on a journey to the Great Barrier Reef, one of the planet's most extraordinary natural wonders. Dive or snorkel amidst a kaleidoscope of coral, encountering an astounding array of marine life. Swim alongside graceful sea turtles, colorful fish, and perhaps even spot a majestic manta ray gliding through the water. Venture inland to explore the Daintree rainforest, a place where time seems to stand still. Hike through ancient ferns and towering trees, home to a dazzling array of plants and animals, some found nowhere else on Earth. Listen to the calls of exotic birds, spot a cassowary disappearing into the undergrowth, and marvel at the intricate beauty of this prehistoric ecosystem. From the underwater wonders of the Great Barrier Reef to the ancient mysteries of the Daintree rainforest, Cairns offers a unique blend of adventure and natural splendor, a testament to the raw beauty of the Australian wilderness. Step into a world of towering peaks, turquoise lakes, and pristine wilderness in Banff National Park, a jewel in the crown of the Canadian Rockies. Here, nature reigns supreme, and every turn reveals a breathtaking vista that will leave you speechless. Drive the Icefields Parkway, one of the world's most scenic roads, and be captivated by the rugged beauty of the Canadian Rockies. Stop at iconic viewpoints like Peyto Lake, its turquoise waters shimmering like a jewel against a backdrop of snow-capped peaks. Hike to hidden waterfalls, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and feel your spirit soar amidst this majestic landscape. Take a gondola ride up Sulphur Mountain for panoramic views of the town of Banff and the surrounding mountains. In the winter, experience the thrill of skiing or snowboarding down world-class slopes, while in the summer, hike through alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers. Banff is a place to reconnect with nature, to challenge yourself physically and mentally, and to witness the raw beauty of the Canadian wilderness. It's a place where adventure awaits around every corner, and where memories are made that will last a lifetime. Nestled between the rugged slopes of Table Mountain and the glistening waters of the Atlantic Ocean, Cape Town is a city of captivating contrasts. This vibrant metropolis boasts a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural diversity, and urban sophistication, offering something for every type of traveler. Take a cable car ride to the top of Table Mountain, the city's iconic landmark, and be rewarded with panoramic views of Cape Town, the sprawling coastline, and the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Hike or bike down the mountain, taking in the diverse flora and fauna that call this natural wonder home. Explore the colorful Bocap neighborhood, with its brightly painted houses and cobbled streets, a testament to the city's rich history and cultural fusion. Sample Cape Malay cuisine, a delicious blend of flavors influenced by Malaysian, Indonesian, and Dutch culinary traditions. Venture out of the city to explore the Cape Peninsula, home to dramatic coastlines, charming seaside villages, and abundant wildlife. Visit Boulders Beach to meet the resident colony of African penguins, spot whales and dolphins off the coast, and savor the freshest seafood at a waterfront restaurant. Queenstown, nestled amidst the southern Alps of New Zealand's South Island, is a haven for thrill-seekers and nature enthusiasts. Known as the adventure capital of the world, this picturesque town offers an adrenaline-pumping playground against a backdrop of breathtaking natural beauty. Challenge yourself to a bungee jump or canyon swing off Kawarau Bridge, the birthplace of these iconic adventure activities. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you plummet towards the turquoise waters of the Kawarau River, surrounded by the dramatic beauty of the Gibbston Valley. For a more serene experience, take a scenic cruise across Lake Wakatipu, surrounded by snow-capped peaks and rolling hills. Hike or bike the numerous trails around Queenstown, offering stunning views of the lake and surrounding mountains. Indulge in the region's burgeoning culinary scene, savoring locally sourced produce and world-class wines. Queenstown is a feast for the senses, a place to push your limits, reconnect with nature, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Ibiza, the legendary White Isle, is a place of contrast, where sun-drenched beaches meet vibrant nightlife, and ancient history blends seamlessly with modern hedonism. This Balearic island offers a unique blend of relaxation and revelry, attracting partygoers and peace-seekers alike. Dance the night away at world-renowned clubs where top DJs spin electronic beats until dawn. Lose yourself in the energy of the crowd, surrounded by stunning light shows and pulsating music. From beach clubs to super clubs, Ibiza offers a nightlife experience like no other. Escape the party scene and discover the island's hidden gems. Explore the charming old town of Ibiza town with its cobbled streets, whitewashed houses, and stunning views from the Dolce Villa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Relax on pristine beaches, swim in crystal-clear waters, and soak up the Mediterranean sun. From secluded coves to lively beach bars, Ibiza offers a beach for every mood. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a taste of the party life, Ibiza promises an unforgettable experience. From the tranquil beaches of the Maldives to the vibrant streets of Ibiza, we've explored a diverse range of summer destinations, each offering a unique blend of adventure, relaxation, and cultural immersion. Which of these stunning destinations will you visit this summer? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your travel buddies. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep seeking out the extraordinary experiences that this beautiful planet has to offer.